You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more confusing names, including from video games in League of Legends. Stay tuned to learn more. Irelia. Irelia is how it's generally said in the community now. Different languages might be pronounced differently, but Irelia, how do you say it? Irelia? No, Irelia, I think is the correct pronunciations. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.